Okay, just a short one. This is some exciting shit. Got some goods in today. Parallel bars, which I don't have. I was using me clamps. So, a decent drill sharpener, which is better than that bloody cheap ass thing I've got out there. That Azedo one. A coolant tank for the lathe. I've got to hook it up, set it up, hook it up, and away we go, because it really needs a coolant. And I bought this. Now generally this is a power drive unit for a milling machine, but I was inspired by Oliver at Snowball Engineering. Look him up on YouTube. Good bloke, he does some really good work. Very rural work, like all farm stuff, so, and it's very interesting. He does great work. But he made a line borer, and he used one of these to feed his line borer. And I thought, now that's a bloody good idea, because this thing here, I've always complained about what a pain in the ass it is to adjust the feed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect this end, make something for it, and then bolt, drill and tap and bolt the feed unit on the end. And I'll just knock that pin out of there. So I won't need any of that gearing in the back. That can just go and get well and truly. So I'll have adjustable feed, I'll have rapid traverse if I want it. And it'll be variable, very variable. Which will be awesome if I've got to do facing and longitudinal at the same time. So I can speed it up to do me facing cuts, and then do me long ones I can slow it right down. So I'm going to start playing with that in the next day or two. I'm really keen. While I'm thinking about that stomper, I'm going to get the lathe sorted. I'm going to clean it all out, pour some water in there, see where it needs to drain. Put a drain in this, put that underneath, hook it up, mount that on the wall, because you need a 110 volt transformer for this. So it's, you know, it's, oh shit, don't knock it on the ground. So it's got, you know, the weird ass 110 plug. So hook him up, plug him in, there's a plug on the side. All little leftover bits. So this is for, here I don't need that. I don't need the handle on the end. So I'm not going to worry about it. They don't supply one, and I was about to scream, but you bolt this onto your machine, you take the handle off that machine and use it. So what I'm going to have to do is get some material, machine something for here and something for the back here. They've got slip washers and everything else. So all I'm going to need to do is to machine something for the back, because that can only go in so far, and that can only go back that way so far. So, and there's washers there. I think those washers go on the front of that, so you can see how it goes backwards just a little bit. Well, that's what those washers are in there for, those little ones. I just put that in there to see. And you've got slides. I don't need those, because it's got stoppers, so you can set it. Or even if I get motivated enough, I could probably put those on the back of the bed, so that, you know, if it goes too far forward, it'll stop rather than riding into the chuck. But I'm keen, so thanks Ollie for giving me that motivation, although that motivation there has cost me $800 just for those two pieces. But you know, that was only $100, but it's a diamond wheel. So then you take this out, put your drill into it, and then use that to set your drill, and then lock it, take it out, and then it goes in there, I think, somehow. I've got to read the instructions. That's what instructions are for, right? So I'm guessing you do that, then pull it out and turn it over. But I've got to read the instructions on working that. So, but you know, now I've got cardboard boxes everywhere. But that's it. I'm stoked. I'm like a kid with toys. It's wonderful. Thanks for coming along again. Stay safe. Peace.